what I say is, we have a serious problem in our music business, and I believe is ego across it, and it is very crippling to our industry, and we are going to reason upon it right now.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So I'm back again for another topic surrounding the music, but this time we are talking about the artists them. Yeah, because Foota Hype is addressing the fact that the artists them are overcharged, and not even Foota Hype concerned that are the actual promoters where keep events concerned that the artists them are charged some ridiculous fees, and people, I have personal experience of that too, so me know. Me can remember at a certain point I was having an event, right? I'm reach out to one and few artists who me didn't even consider say me and them cool. So I reach out and me ask, charge you, how much you charge me for perform at that event here? And them say, boy, Unstoppable, you know, say at 20k, I may talk about 20k US. And that's not it. The man them want me for pay for hotel, them want me pay for transportation, and them also want me for buy the ticket for members of them entourage where I go travel with them. Yeah, true. Me I tell you no. So before this event even keep, me don't pay you thousands of dollars. So I understand exactly what these promoters are concerned about. That is what Foota Hype is addressing right now. So family, make we take a listen to what Foota say.
Now, me have reason a while ago with what me say about 5 to 6 different promoters, right? Meaning promoter where play a major role in the Caribbean atmosphere of music. Because you know who really book Jamaican or Caribbean promoter or Yankee promoter with Jamaican or Caribbean affiliation. So them know the music, know the artists, them know the vibe, know everything. So sometimes even when you see a Jamaican on a Yankee show, is a Jamaican connected Yankee person where keep a big show. See? Now, the same problem with all our 6 promoters them have is that the artists them are overcharged. The artists them are kill the music by overcharging. See? What do you have a big promoter boy named Omen, Hybrid Events. Is somebody who I look up to in a promotion and have much respect for, car. He's not really a popular person. You know most time promoter are popular people. He's not really a popular person, but a decades he do it, and him one of the leading promoter them in Florida to me. I him keep Runway, I him keep Rise and Toast, I him keep whole heap of something. Big Fat Fish, whole heap of different show. Him keep. Big promoter. Also one of the owner of them for Club Europe. See, so I see him put up what they say, him out for stop promotion and him going to try the artist. Because to all the artists them are charged ridiculous. Well, there's levels to this thing. And every artist now going to charge the same money. Because you have regular artists, you have art artists, you have top tier artists, and you have legend. See? But here we validate the money now. If you have pull the crowd, you understand what validates the money is if you are pulling the crowd. Now the problem with the 6 promoters them when I talk to from morning have is that the artists them are push them big money and now pull the crowd. You're not selling the tickets. Now, over the years, the booking changed. Because one time an artist would just take a booking and book based on what he want and not worry about capacity and thing. Now, the business evolve where when you call an artist now, he might ask how much are the capacity. Nothing wrong with that, because I saw the rap star them used to do it and everybody. And it make you make more money based on the capacity of the crowd, because you know how much you charge. Where you ask capacity for if you can't fully place? This is where the problem then now. If you can ram the place, nothing wrong. If you check the capacity. But if somebody want to put you in a venue, we hold 5,000 people, and you can't sell 2,000 tickets, oh, it makes sense. You can't charge the money based on the capacity because you can't ram the venue. The promoter have to do whatever they have to do now to try to ram the venue. So, what the 6 promoter they must say? They must say, that's why now, them lean towards the hip-hop artists them and the calypso artists them. You understand what I say? Them say now, that's why, come here, miss for the culture, you know. Me seriously for the culture. See? So them I say that's why them lean to the hip-hop artists now and some calypso artists. Because what one of them explained to me, say, when them use certain hip-hop artists, we are charged the same money what the dancehall artists want. Them now have to guess our spell if them can charge $60 at the gate. Pre-sold, $60 pre-sold. Plus, them a sell VIP for $250, $300. Plus, cabana. Plus them things, and the place are ram out. And them a make them money from pre-sold tickets already. Now, when the Jamaican artists charge the same money what the rapper charge and want 1 million ticket, 1 million hotel room, 1 million per diem, them can't even pay the artist. Them can't book the room and pay for the plane ticket. Them out of pre-sold kind of ticket now sell. So them I say them not a problem if the Jamaican artists them are charging money. But the result in ticket sales are fair forward. So them I say basically to me, them I ask me to address it because it's obvious say who in the artist them is and I tell the artist them whatever. Now I say the right thing because it a cripple not only the artist but it a cripple the industry too. Because now we're seeing more Caribbean events with hip-hop artists and calypso artists as opposed to Jamaican artists. And a Jamaican show them. But the price too ridiculous. The itinerary too ridiculous. Remember, you know, and a 1 and a 2 time and a 3 time the people them come to me and I say, yo, I'm not busy with it. Artists hate me. Them not like me. Me allow it. But when we reason with them and understand where them are forward from, it needs to be addressed. Because the artists them now understand say, you are not selling the tickets them. Some artists they even understand say, when you have a Berry Salmon on a show, like say best of the best one right now. You have Berry Salmon, you have Vegas, you have Baby Sham, you have I think Patrice Roberts. It's a whole host of artists come together plus the status of the show will make the show ram. It's not you can the show make the show ram. So when you have like a best of the best and you go up on a best of the best and go on good, you can't just fling your price through the roof now because you're the best of the best because I know you ram best of the best. Best of the best I go ram if a selector alone depend it to over the years where them do them thing. Some person I go ram if a selector alone depend it. Sting I go ram if a PA clash artist alone depend it. Them show they registered already. When you depend a show now by yourself, like an Amazura where you have, alright, we have Joe Jankran concert and the ticket them sell off. You know you pull crowd in that area there. You can charge money in that area there because you sold out Amazura by yourself. Since when calypso artists start sell more tickets than dancehall artists since the new group of artists from Jamaica. And yesterday I talked to somebody about that day for yesterday. When Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Caperton, Elephant Man, Sizzla Kalonji them are run this thing here, Calypso artists have to work and disappear. Them can't close no show over Bounty or Beanie or Caperton or Shabba or none of the man them. You're mad? When? Me could go back in a history. And since when Calypso artists start take over this thing here, since the modern day youth them we can't perform. We not deliver. We not entertain. We only believe say because them jeans of $2,000 and them bottom a show them hot. And it not showing the result of the performance. And when Bounty and Beanie and Caperton them did a run that something here, Ladies and Spice, because we not left out nobody, when them a dominate the thing, no matter how Machel Montano hot, him have to work before Beanie them or work with Beanie them. When Bungie Garlin hot and I mash up the place, him have to work before Bounty and Beanie and Elephant them or work with them. And no question about it. No Summer Jam, no on the reggae tip, no best of the best. Not them can't work after no Jamaican artists. Just think let's start the truth. So this thing here deteriorate because of the man them ego. And the ego is why them are overpriced themselves. Now, when you know me already, I got to talk my mind, I got to say what I have to say, and I got to say what I got to say now, and it might cause a problem, right? But I have no bad intent when I say this. See? I have no bad vibe, no bad intent, people. You know them, you know Ramesh them that don't like me already. But I don't like me, I beat them. Today is not a beating day. You understand? Them don't like me for whatever reason, and most people in them camp don't really like me. Because probably me chat too much, you know? But I just do this on behalf of the promoter, them call me. See? Them say them beg me shout out to Ramesh and shout out to Sharon Burke. See? Them say them ask Miss Sharon Burke and Mr. Ramesh to understand how difficult it is when them work with the Jamaican artists in a certain area to promote and build them. Although the artists them acting in the Jamaican diaspora, certain areas them have to go extra hard and promotion and radio and all these things to make the show work. See? So them ask me. Remember I know. Then say a whole heap of artists that do this overpricing thing. But them say because Ramesh and Sharon Burke control more than one artist where them want to work with. See, it's not a cussing thing or a degrading thing. It's just them ask me because them know when me talk, people are going to hear. So them say them two entities there control a portion to artists and selector where them have to work with. You understand? I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be honest with you. What are you getting visa and a promoter link me and say I want to work with him? And I tell him, say, here I go on. Other man there book for me now. After I give him the number, and him call, and the youth say, other man there book for him. Him say, nobody wanted the show. Because I know him going to hear some ridiculous price, and him not depend on that because the ticket them have to sell. You understand what I say? So, me just I say, on behalf of the promoter, them are foreign, them are bad, and them see a vision where happen, where probably the artists don't see. Zine, them I say, it's going to take a toll on the Jamaican music industry because them have to drip to the hip-hop artist. We are charge the same money as the Jamaican artist, but I sell the ticket them and I sell out the venue. One of the promoters said him can guarantee if he use one of the little hip-hop artists them we are charge the same money. Zine, when him go so bam and put up him show, pre-sold ticket, Zine, pre-sold ticket alone and make him back him money. Plus him not sell cabana yet, and him not sell VIP yet. Just regular ticket make him back him money. And we have to understand them something there. Zine, we have to understand that something there. So the artists them please, like we have to, we have to think about the longevity of the culture. Zine, and not because you have a hot song means say everybody want to come buy a ticket, so you got to charge this ridiculous money. Some of them and them now in the catalog, them have a song. Some of them have 1 or 2 songs. You cannot perform for an hour. You cannot perform for 45 minutes. Some of them and them people, they even known in a certain state. Some man have some song where acting in the Jamaican diaspora, but if you put up them picture and say, who is this artist? Nobody no know. But when they sing them song, yes, we know the song. You understand what I say? No, me can't tell you how much me think is a good fee because every artist have different. That's what I'm telling you. You have top tier, you have regular artists, you have artists where have catalog, you have artists where have a slower, it's a different tier artist. So me personally can't tell an artist how much to charge. That is out of my business. You come like selecting another word we charge the same money. You understand? But we can't see DJ Kelly that charge 100,000 US and say, alright, I can charge 100,000 US too when me can't pull Miami Heat Stadium, but Kelly can't pull it. It's just the reality you have to think. And certain state, you have to charge less money because them don't know you up there, them don't know. Some state they even know dancehall good. You understand? Some state they even know dancehall good. Some of the artists them think because them at Miami or them at New York or Canada call them, that doesn't speak the same volume for a Kansas City or a Carolina, or it doesn't speak the same volume because them not into the music, so like oh New York and Miami and Canada and some place into it. You understand what I say? If you get a call for Hawaii now and you now have no catalog, the promoter they actually help expand you over the region there. Because you don't really know over the region there, brother. A lot of these artists now, if you put up them picture on a regular flyer and go on club door and say, other artists say me I bring somebody say, who is that? You have to go sing them song to somebody say, oh yeah, I heard that song on a mixtape. I heard that song before. So the price now go with your status. You understand what I say? So the promoter them a ball. And I mean them a ball too. Sometimes I don't want to involve in an artist business, you know. Can be this me and say me chat too much and me a pussy and me a this and me a that. Me can't even get dub plate. Seem like when you hear somebody jump up and say, no dub plate for your Foota. Achoo! Me can't get no dub plate. And some of them new artists I try link everybody to get dub plate from them and I be a styling. Them don't want my money, them just don't want to sing for me. Because them feel like me chat too much. But if them really and truly listen to me and hear when me I say, cause me are the ears of the street. Enough time the people them have complained and me them ball too, you know. And some of the things them me ignore me, but I feel like me love it, me not say nothing. You understand what I say? So what I'm saying is the management have to sometimes explain to the artist, Zine, that on every region we can charge the same money and certain promoter in the Caribbean diaspora help to keep you up as an artist. You understand what I say? If you're not going to work, alright, like, sure, I don't want to get none of that, because some artists are going to hate me. Like, Foota, hold your mouth now, Foota, please. Hold your mouth, hold your mouth, hold your mouth. Yeah, as I say, see, the promoter, them a ball. Now, if you have certain promoter who keep certain level of show, or that help expand the dancehall industry and expand the Caribbean thing, and them now, I go feel like, say, it not make sense them book a Jamaican artist. See, it better them book a calypso artist or a hip-hop artist. How that help we? How that help we? It not help we. It actually hurt with business. It actually hurt with business. And that's why them reach out to me, because the promoter them feel bad too, you know. You think them want to book Patrice Roberts or Alison Hines over a Jamaican artist? No. You think them want to book when name Phoebe or Foreign, or when next one name Little Dirk or Da Baby or Little Baby over a Jamaican artist? No. But the results are work for them better. But the Jamaican artist want to charge the same money what the rapper charge, but nah, sell the ticket. How that work? How that work? Then when them go up on the show, them can't get bigger forward than the calypso artists or the hip-hop artists. How that work? When Bunty and Beanie and Sham them and Caperton them and Sizzler them and run this. Right now, this is going to hurt some feelings. This is going to hurt some feelings. But it is the truth. Some of them artists say we have asked them big money, if you allow it. Dexter Daps have the right to ask for big money. Dexter Daps have the right to ask for big money. Dexter Daps have the right to ask for big money. Dexter Daps a sellout venue everywhere in put him foot. And not only a sellout the venue, when him perform, him damage the place. So, he's not only selling the ticket, Dexter do. Dexter a deliver upon performance when him work. We have to just be realistic in that. We have to be realistic. Dexter Daps is the epiphany of the nowadays artists them where I work. Dexter is the top mark. Ding Dong, top mark. Ding Dong, a ram venue and a perform good. Dexter Daps and Ding Dong. Spice and a nowadays artist. Spice a legend. So not sure Spice in this. What I'm saying is when you talk about Popcorn non-America visa, when I talk about Popcorn, I talk about the man who come to America. And the man the American that charge a bag of money, and the promoter them I wonder what wrong with them. I just have to be honest, you know. I just have to be real. And when the promoter them talk to me today, I understand exactly what them are say. It's like them are say the artists them, I push them against a wall where them have to just turn away from dancehall shows. And they don't want to do that. You understand? Them don't want to do that. Them want to maintain the culture. Them want to maintain the amount of dancehall show we are keep. The promoter them say the money ridiculous and the ticket them not selling. The artists them are charge too much money and them not sell the ticket them and them cannot perform. So it a cost the promoter them for running a bankruptcy and want to leave the dancehall show them alone a hip hop. They are a choke. A serious thing we're telling the people. I know me get up and say this, you know. I know me get up and say this, you know. And the promoter, them a call me from morning. I said, Foota, we need to address this for we. It a get out of hand. Remember, say me see Omen about a month and a half ago. Put it up and me understand what I say, but I said, sure. I want artist wants to clad Omen with a price. But when me check it out, everywhere it happen. That's Omen that say him outfit done with promotion and got on artist. Cause the money where the artist them a charge insane. And Omen are one of the biggest promoter boy. Yeah. And the people that know Omen, they don't know him. Me I say Omen them don't know who me attack. In promotion name hybrid events. Zine, I one of the biggest promoter boy. When me keep my party at Florida 2006, 2007. Jonas King did partner with them, but me never know him. Me never know a woman. Because them time them live in Jamaica, I just come a foreign, do me and go back on my yard. So, I was the woman that tell me, say, remember, Jonas King tell me, say, remember woman who did the show with you, know? Come used to keep the biggest birthday party in Florida, you know. Remember good, you know. See? Women been a do it from them time there, from 2007 till now, how much years that? I'm a do it before me. You understand? So, if him, as a big old promoter, alright, women can keep dance without artists and rich. Runway Friday, one of the ramest thing. And an artist in a book feed. I know him have you and Marley and host it, but and an artist show. You understand what I say? If them a ball, if them man they can a ball, promoter from Carolina a ball, promoter from LA a ball, promoter from New York a ball, promoter from Pittsburgh a ball, like, come on, B. It means there's something alright. Miss Sharon Burke, you know the game. You've been in the game for years. Ramesh, new giant in the game as manager. Come on. When you open your eye and look, don't base it on ego. I know the artist in my pressure now. Right now, the artist and they go in the room to make the money. The artist them now get the manager them in the room to make the money and hustle neither. Because the artist them a push this ridiculous price, the manager can't put nothing on it. The manager can't eat a food. That's the truth. How the manager go eat a food? How the manager go eat a food? How the people them around here go eat a food if you set your price ridiculous already? Nah, make no sense. Nah, make no sense. And if them promoter here, we keep the little Caribbean element in America, we will show them, give up. You know what got eventually happen to we and our culture? We have planned to come America, come make money, think about it. Think about it now. If them dieted promoter were dieted to work with the culture and work with Caribbean acts and Jamaican in particular, if them turn well now and say them not do it, how it work? How it work? We just want to understand how the plan for it work. The promoter them a ball, and them a ball wicked. Wicked. Yeah, I tell you. And some of the artists them not a substance budget. Them just a go and walk with 20 man and feel like that is being an artist. And that not gonna work. The quality of the music, alright. There's a certain gimmicks where we accept now at Jamaica. You see the international people them not accept it, you know. So when you go up on the internet and you make like a noise and it run and you say, oh God, my song hot. And when you come at the real show them now, with the real people them, Zine, a problem. Because the real people them now want to hear that. So this is where the thing go. I think the thing twisted. Zeal. And me a beg you now, managers, understand. Not because you might hear a busy signal, I charge certain money. Or I don't I charge certain money. Zeal. Or an assassin. You have to understand, say, them have catalog. Them prove themselves already as performers. You understand them? You say them show the world already, say, they are a dominant force to reckon with. So when people see them on flyer, and the promoter charge $60 or $70 or $50, them are going to pay. Because they know what to expect. And they know how much hits them are going to hear over the years. You cannot have one or two songs and feel like, say, the promoter can put you on for $80 or $100. It not go work. It not go work. So when you not ask, how much is the capacity? The capacity no matter, because you not must sell it out. They might try put in a big venue to give you a big look. But if you are charge the promoter 80, 100,000, 70,000, and when him looking to say he can go negotiate with a rapper, we're sure to sell it. We bring out the whole like hip hop parlor them, we buy 1,000 buckle or 1,500 buckle. And I carry them entourage and I buy out section and I buy out cabana. You might go say, here, make that Jamaican stay over here, say, yeah, man. And I go get the rapper here. When me sure to sell some ticket, sure to get some drug smuggler come in, come party and throw money. You have to think about that, Regine. How now pressure on the manager, how now make the manager them look bad. Because of the manager them I get the blame. And people now understand, say, the artists them set a price with the manager them where they want. And the manager them have to work around that. And add them 10% or them 20% finder's fee and bag of something around that. So not really the manager cause the problem. And not really manager cause the problem, you know. And how the artist set him standard with the money. So the manager have to work around that. So we have to try to save the business. Exactly. Alright, honestly, me nah blame Sharon Burke and me nah blame Ramesh. Me nah blame them, you know why? Me know how it go. Me know how the business go. Artists tell them my money where them I work with and them have to work with it. Can remember say, at the end of the day, I know Ramesh I go sing, I know Sharon Burke I go sing. You understand what I mean? I say, I know them I go sing. And them are going to perform. So you think so the artist can tell them $20 and them go take $10. And then who are going to sing? When the artist say, nah, do it. Who are going to sing? Who are going to have a problem? And who the people them are going to sue? Who the people them are going to sue? And Sharon Burke them are going to carry a court because Sharon Burke booked the show on a solid agency. And Ramesh booked the show on the Ramesh Entertainment. So the artist still in a less problem when the lawsuit come. You understand what I say? So what I say is, the promoter them a ball. And I be a top promoter in America. When you see them I call my phone. Some of them they ever book me for sure. Them not book me. Some like I'm a friend them not book me. Tell you no burn up Batman and go and be some of them afraid. Them not want book me. Because them have a couple of Batman friends and a couple of Batman in them organization where them keep them party with. And them now want to upset them, so them not book Foota. But at the end of the day, we have to think about the culture. Me have to address it for you because it has got cause one big gap in the business. If you notice in America now, why the big show them where Jamaican artists can come present themselves properly? Name me the big show them we keep in America where Jamaican artists get to showcase them talent. Let me see if people know what I'm going. Name me the big show them in America. Big show. where Jamaican artists can come a foreign and display them talent the right way and it reach the right audience. Let me see if the people them know what I want. First answer wrong. Second answer makes sense. Come now, people, talk to me now, man. Alright, so somebody said best of the best. Very good. Somebody said grooving in the park. Very good. Best of the best. I can hear a madman. Alright, most people say best of the best. Alright, listen to me now. I'm going to talk this again and some people could have vexed. See? See? I'm going to say this again and people could have vexed. Certain artists, see? Where at and you want to come America, come make your name. See? If you're not there for best of the best, or Irish Jamboree, or on the reggae tip, or grooving in the park ain't a problem. You're in problem. You hear me telling you? Alright, best of the best, I jabber them and bother folk of them. Listen to me good now. We might not like all them pay or all them do business or probably them not pay the $1 zillion. But you see that show is very important to an artist where introduce himself to America. Like it or not. Very important. The reach where best of the best have, it don't even make sense. You have our next big show over there, sir, and go do it and let best of the best because it now go reach where it's supposed to reach. You can go do our next big show, you know. But how much people know you do that show there? How much show you gonna get after that the show there? Best of the best is where the Caribbean people them come out to showcase Caribbean culture and embrace Caribbean culture. It's different. It's different. It's different than you're gonna do a hip-hop show or a techno show or a Afrobeat show. It's different. Irish Jamboree, good for you again. You understand what I'm saying? Some of them managers don't understand mileage. Some of who advise the artists them don't know mileage. And that's why after a couple months some artists fade. Some take longer, some go a couple years and then fade because the way you did supposed to present yourself, you don't do it. It's like if an artist bust and while him bust thing and go on and you end up sting in a problem when January forward, brother. Because you now have nowhere else to showcase your talent until July when a reggae Sumfest. So what you going to do for the whole time of December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August? You know how hard it's going to be for you maintain the level of hypeness and hotness for catch Sumfest? Timing is impeccable, dog. And certain show is the best thing for you. Come on. Artists have to keep people running the way smart and can make proper decisions, my friend. Sometime, alright, like me did run artists already and deal I make and 2 deals up on the table. And one of the deal offer 20,000 US more than the other deal. One of the dealer offer 100,000 US. The next dealer offer 120,000 US. The artist at the time wanted the deal for 120,000 because it sound more. See? But the region where the $120,000 I put the artist in, the artist are going to end up lose. Because the region with the 120,000 in, the artist are going to have 3 shows and 3 players for dominate. So after them done that 3 players, then now nowhere else to go. So the 120,000 are going done. Because you're not going to have no work. And over with the 120,000 I carry you, it now propel you to a higher level. So I said to the artist, say, no, this don't make sense. Over here, so you're going to have 3 locations to dominate. Over here, so for the 100,000, you have 55 locations to dominate. So when you check, say them I give you $20,000 less. The opportunities over here so are endless. The opportunities over here so are endless. For $20,000 less. But over here so for $20,000 more is only 3 opportunities. You have 3 versus 55 opportunity over here so. Zin? Plus the media package over here so for the 120 now go help you. Because when you do the 120 over here so the media package is only in a 3 area. And the media package over here so does not cross over to the big region. So you still are going in a problem over here so. The 100,000 package you now give you at 97, Power 105, Irish Jamboree, WBLS, everything over here so. BET, MTV, VH1, everything over here so. But it's $20,000 less to the direct deposit where you get. But you're going to make 10 times the 100,000 over here so within a 1-year period. You understand what I say? So what I'm saying now is, the man them have to understand the decision them when them make. Zin? And the man them have to understand how you cripple the industry by overcharging the people them will keep the culture going. It's like a man, them a do a thing now where should a man get 30,000 US in America for a show now. He wanted a Jamaican promoter. Say a 30,000 US he want for a show at Jamaica. You hear me? Yeah, you hear me? Some artists, cause them will come a foreign, get 130,000 for a show. When I promote a Jamaica, I keep a show. They want $30,000 too. I know so it work. I know so it work. Go ask Beanie, go ask Bunty, go ask Capitan, go ask Shabba them, go ask anybody. I know so it work. In a factory, you have to charge less in a factory. The factory spill off into the rest of the world. Your dominance and your performance in the factory spills off into the rest of the world and keep you afloat. Think about it. No, just reality be. Why you think so much show stop keep at Jamaica? Why you think so much show stop keep at Jamaica? The artists them cost it. The promoter them cannot afford it. The promoter them cannot afford it. And why they them link on a new artist them? Promoter this complaint to me from Jamaica. I never say nothing about it. The promoter say, him call one of the young artists them to do a show. I think the show they keep one of them country. I think I sent it is better than one of them. And the man say, the artist tell him say, have 50,000 US more to do the show. The man say, the young artist, when I have 6 songs good, not even so much, because If him have 6 songs and 6 of them are hit, all 3 hit and him have couple more where a bubble. Charge him $50,000 in a Jamaica. And a Sumfest, and a Sting, and none of them something. And the man, I have to just tell him, say, everything good, brother, big up yourself. A bounty killer end up to the show, the man a tell me for way less. And the show sold out. And the man say killer deal with the show like a joke. Mash up the whole place. The man say killer perform for about an hour and 20 minutes. You understand? So, me nah fight no artist, you know. Me nah say no artist not to charge them money, you know. But don't be ridiculous. And you are going to end up lose at the end of the day. You understand what I say? And you are going to end up lose at the end of the day because of stupid decisions, bro. You understand what I say? So, me not understand. It's a big complaint going on, you know. And me just get up and I talk about it. And the people them a complain to me. Me can't know the people in business. Me no book for artists. How would I know them something? I don't know. The promoter them a call and a ball. I promoter them a call and a ball and set and mash up the industry and a show. A show. It a mash up the industry for show. My uncle can talk, you know. There's nothing me can do because I'm not an artist. I'm in artist management. But me can turn on my life like how me I do now. And you know, and say what me I say. You see me? So artists, you have to get the thing together, dog.
Now you see when Foota I put it in the way where him say, yo, if you no could actually pull out the crowd, we make it worth pay on no X amount, it would make sense. Yeah, me agree with Foota on the part there. Because you can imagine an artist that charge 20,000 US to come perform and him can't even pull out 100 people to come at the event. Think about it. Anyway, people, talk to me in the comment section. Let me hear what is your take on this one right here. Seeing, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is the first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.